Changing the webbing on your 95 Buick Roadmaster seatbelt. This is the old one. It's all chewed up, falling apart. This is the passenger side of a donor car. But I wanted to use, I needed this mount from the driver's side to work. So essentially you extend the seatbelt all the way out till this locks down. You got something small, I use a little screwdriver here to hold it in place while I fish this out. Now I'm just making sure everything goes back in the right way. You see there's a slot up there. I don't know if I could do this one-handed. And it's got to feed through past. And once I get it through there, I'll come back. Alright, so I got it through. Push. Whatever, I got a pick here that help me grab because my fingers don't allow me to do anything because they're too fucking big. Excuse my French. Pull that through. Put this bar in between the webbing here. Sorry guys, not really a video guy. So once that bar is in, you can pull up. And you want to get that bar inside that piece of plastic that'll lock it in place. She was a bit of a struggle, but I got her in. She's in it now. You just slowly seatbelts fill back up. And there you go. Seatbelt is back together. Ready to be reinstalled.